There have been outrage on social media as well as protests on the streets in Tripura and other parts of Northeast after the news of the death of 24-year-old student from Unakoti district of Tripura, Angel Chakma. Now, Angel and his younger brother Michael were studying in Dehradun. They had migrated there for their studies, and Angel was pursuing his MBA course. Now, both the brothers on December 9 came out in a leisurely walk. They had to get some groceries, they wanted to eat something. It was normal until something happened that turned it very fateful and unfortunate. A group of 6 men who were, as police says, maybe in a drunken condition, they basically first abused them with racial slurs. They were subjected to mental torture and racial abuse for how they appear, their physical appearance, and they were called out with names like Chinky, Chow Mein, Chinese and Momo. These kind of slurs have been used against students of Northeast in other parts of the country in past as well, and there have been similar type of racial abuse faced by the students of Northeast in different places of the country that they go for studying. Now, amid this racial discrimination, Angel's younger brother was hit, and Angel actually confronted these people, saying that we are not Chinese, we are Indian citizens. How many certificates should we need to show you? And if we look differently from you, that is because we are from a different part of the country, and not two people in the country are similar to look. So he put up some arguments which were very valid, but this group, they became more agitated, and while Angel's brother was hit on the head, Angel was stabbed brutally. He was grievously injured, rushed to the hospital where he battled for his life for 14 days, and last Friday he succumbed to his injuries. After his death, his body was brought to Agartala, Tripura's capital, taken to Unakoti for the last rites. In fact, while the family is in shock, is in grief, the entire state of Tripura and more so other parts of Northeast are outraged, because once again a young mind, a young student from Northeast had to die unfortunately in a very brutal way because of racial discrimination and racial abuse. There was this case of Nido Tania of Arunachal Pradesh that shook the country that few years back, and many thought that that would be the end of it. But this case has once again opened the Pandora's box as to how across Northeast students, or rather how across the country students from Northeast get discriminated because they look differently. More so for many of the tribal groups in Northeast have Mongoloid looks, and therefore they are often subjected to racial slurs like Chinese or Chinky, and thereby many of them also face this kind of situation in workplaces. In past, there have been efforts taken by the governments in Northeast and respective police forces in different states to combat this situation, but perhaps this brutal death is again an eye-opener. The Chief Minister of Tripura has spoken to his counterpart in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand government says that 5 suspects have been already arrested. One is absconding, maybe he has fled to Nepal. They're trying to nab him, but this is not one-off story, and this should not be taken as one-off story, because it has kept happening with the students of Northeast in other parts of the country, and unfortunately it seems there is no stopping. Perhaps this is a wake-up call for the central government, which is otherwise focusing on the Northeast, so as to coordinate with the states and create a mechanism in which this kind of racial attacks, racial abuse gets stopped, and such brutal incident cannot take place one more time. With camera person Sanjay Chakravarti, Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.